Hi, can everyone hear me now?
Yes. Okay. There
Is
we
that a
go.
yes? Are we nodding? Are we nodding at this?
Okay.
So should I
Perfect.
start over?
Please start over.
God damn it!
I'm sorry.
You're making me talk about myself. Okay. So hi everyone. Thank you, Jason, for having me. My name is Sarah, as Jason said, and I am originally from Portugal. I live in Berlin, and I am a front-end developer at CodeSandbox. So CodeSandbox is a online code editor for all your fancy needs, like supports React and all that stuff, and even Gatsby. And yeah, I also run Queer.js, which is a meetup with a bunch of people, which is a meetup where only queer people speak. And I got nothing else, man. I got nothing else. I
um,
like horror movies and know how to play drums.
yeah. And so,
Oh, wait, I used to be a goalkeeper.
wait, in which sport?
uh, European football.
Okay. Awesome.
Not European football, non US football.
I was picturing you in like hockey, so with all the gear on, all the pads. Do you know what I'm talking about?
No, man. No, no. I'm not that cool.
um,
Also, it's not a good position for me because I'm not tall.
Okay, so
Wait, what?
before we start, I'm gonna talk you through positioning your window. So today Sarah is sharing her screen, and so I'll be kind of like pairing, and she's gonna be hands on keyboard. So if you can resize your browser from the bottom left, up and in a little bit, and we'll get it positioned on the window so everybody can see. A
Is it better?
little bit more, little bit more, and okay, so that's uh, yep, that's about the amount of real estate we have. So yeah, we can play with that. And so to set a little groundwork here, what we were looking at doing was building out a meme website. And so you already have a meme website.
Yes.
And this is going to be
But
like a new iteration of it.
yeah, so what happened is that meme website is not static. So what I want to do is make a static version of it. So that's why I'm using Gatsby for it. And because all of the thing, this was back when I wanted to like learn Vue and GraphQL, so it's a very old website, and I want to update it to just like spit out all the images and use Gatsby, and also to be able for people to make captions of it. So that part is done because this is using GraphCMS,
Mm-hmm.
and this is not what I want. So I'm gonna come here to the schema. So what I have on GraphCMS that's already done is the loading page. There we go. There we go. So
Very
you have
cool.
meme, and captions, and each caption as a caption that's a text, and it connects to a meme. So a meme can have several captions, but a caption it can actually have several memes as well. But that's because I was doing this in a rush and I didn't really know which side the thing went to. So it was just like everything can have everything. I don't care.
And for anyone who is unfamiliar with GraphCMS, I imagine we're not going to get super deep into this, but what we will do, I have a stream that I did with Jesse. So I'll post that
Yes.
into the chat so that you are able to watch that at your leisure. But this looks cool. So we've got your memes set up as a GraphQL API, which is already
Yeah.
amazing. So now anybody who wants to can just query Sara Vieira memes.
Yes, this is
I
actually
love it.
already a thing.
I love it.
This is already a thing. Someone once asked me when I was doing a GraphQL talk and asked me if my meme website had a GraphQL endpoint, and I was like, actually, it does.
Okay, perfect. And so then, did you want to pull this into like are we kind of recreating the existing site as a Gatsby site, or did you want to do something new?
So we're basically recreating the old website first, and then the idea is that we're also going to set up a panel with like the provider thing to be able to do mutations, to also add captions. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Okay, so in my mind, the first thing that we need to do, taking into consideration that I already have this beautiful website, which is gorgeous, as you can see. Should we do CSS, Jason?
It's going to be so much fun watching all of us. Like, I don't know. Have you ever watched me do CSS live? Like how bad I get
No.
at it?
Is
It's
is it
okay.
painful?
It hurts. It hurts a little bit.
Oh, then we're doing CSS. Okay.
I
So I need to
added
install this.
special sound effects just for how hard it is for me to do
But you
CSS.
are a designer.
I mean, I didn't say I was a fast designer.
That is true. That is very true. You also used to have a band, which I forgot the name, and I keep telling people that you have a band. They're like, "What's the name?" I'm like, "I wish I fucking knew." I deleted my searches on Spotify.
It's called Minus My Thoughts, and it's real bad.
It's the saddest thing is that I like it, Jason. My things of music
Oh, that's
has not
right.
evolved since I was 15. Okay, so we're gonna use this beautiful thing, which is Gatsby source GraphQL, which basically just is gonna also public API permissions because we're lazy. And then we need to do copy this URL, which is the thing. That makes perfect sense. Everyone understood what I meant by thing. So all of this, oh no service workers. I've cried over them. Okay, so this is called memes. So the type name is memes, and I'm gonna call it memes again. So, and let me copy up the URL. So, yes, maybe, yes. Okay, paste this in here. Okay, and now my question is, do I need to restart Gatsby?
Yes.
Okay, so let's restart Gatsby. Oh, interesting. He seems like a nut. This is what you get for trying to use JavaScript to make terminals.
Develop.
No, we're not going to talk about this ever.
Oh, what's up? Hey, Chris on code. Thanks for the raid. I saw Chris Biscardi also raided. So we would need to add code. Is that right?
See, that's the thing. I don't know Twitch names, so I have no idea what the hell he just said. Because like you need to understand that from the outside, if you say that, it looks bad.
Oh, it doesn't make any sense at all. What I love about Twitch is that when I first joined, I was like, oh, this is a way to play, like share my webcam with whoever wants to watch. And
that
as
sounds
I've got
so weird, Jason. Why would you ever say this?
No, it's like, but like that was originally the thing. It was Justin.tv, right? And you would literally just turn on a webcam and anybody who wanted to watch could watch. And it was like reality TV made in real time. And then now there's like, then it was like gaming. But so when I started doing this, I was like, oh yeah, it's just going to be, I'm going to get on here and live code and whatever. And then there was chat, and then there was hosting, and then there was raids, and now there's sound effects and all sorts of ridiculous stuff. So it's a lot of fun. The rabbit hole goes deep. Hoofda. All right. So that's exciting.
You're sorry. I was like, this thing is useful. It's very useful, but I get lost in it. Caption ID. Because then I want to close them, and when I close them, it disappears. And
I know. I do that all the time.
And so we're gonna call this memes. Not authorized.
Oh no.
Oh shit, fam. Public API permissions. What do you mean? And then custom roles, no. System tokens, no. What the fuck? So query. Oh, got it. Open.
Oh, what does that mean? Like open just means like everything works?
Yeah, so I added to mutation, which I thought was like query mutation, like in levels.
Yeah.
Like you only allow query, or you allow query and mutation, but no, it's you only allow query, you only allow mutation. I don't know when you would ever only need mutation.
Well, I guess like if you wanted like a feedback widget or something where you could like let somebody submit, but they couldn't necessarily read out the results. I can see. I mean, that alone is probably enough of a use case to make it worth it.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so import React from React and image. Oh shit, we have an image for the thing. I always forget how to use this. I will find out how to use this. Okay, so we're gonna have a main because we don't just use this. We basically do, but whatever. So main, and then we're gonna have to import query from Gatsby. So import. Listen, if I'm doing something very stupid, you fucking tell me, okay?
I'm so on top of that. It's going to be GraphQL, not query.
See, close enough.
I'm here for you.
Okay, thank you, man. Thanks, babe. Const. Wait. Oh yeah, const query. That's what you need to call it, right?
Yeah, and you want to export that as well so that Gatsby
you want to
picks
export
it up.
this const, yeah, because it's never used. Wait, do I need to export it, or is it just because it will give you a ESLint error? I never knew this.
You do need to export it? Is that what you asked? Did I just like not pay attention?
Yeah. Like, do I actually need to export it, or is it like because it just gives me a GraphQL error, a linting error?
So GraphQL, for the way that we've set it up in Gatsby is that for page queries to work, we look for an exported GraphQL query.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know what the reasoning was for that originally. I think it was just like we wanted to make sure that people were doing it on purpose and not accidentally getting extra queries exported.
Come to the bottom, my friend. Okay, so we have an object that has memes inside of it. Mucho bonito.
Sick.
Yeah, sick. Okay, so problem is it's gonna be memes and memes that that's just
It's memes on memes on memes.
Memes on memes, man. Memes that memes. Don't you just love it? That map. And so I'm gonna get a meme and let me just console download this meme.
Literally memes on memes on memes.
It's beautiful. Okay, there we go. Let me just console download this meme. See? It did not work. Because memes that map is not a function.
Memes.
Wait, memes
dot memes dot memes dot memes. Yeah, that should have definitely worked.
Yeah, so data. Oh shit, sorry. It should have not worked. I just named it memes. I want to get the memes out of the data.
Yeah. Oh, so you would have needed like memes dot memes dot memes.
Yes. I fucked up the naming, okay? Forever. I called something videos on GraphCMS, and like I couldn't change it back. So to this day, Awesome Talks it has videos like all videos instead of all videos, because you're supposed to call it video. And I'm just like, I looked at it and I was like, I don't care enough. If only I cared, that would be beautiful. Okay, so for each meme, we're gonna return it automatically. We're not gonna do this, and we're gonna have a div. We're gonna have an article just for the sake of it. And this is gonna have can you figure out several legends? I don't know how HTML works. So figure, it's gonna have an image with a source of, so you're gonna teach me how to use image because I forgot.
Yeah, I can do that. We'll also need a key on the article to avoid some console errors.
Yes, I added that. So article and key equals. Did you just say to avoid console logs?
to avoid console errors.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Alt. There's no alt. So I'm just gonna say meme photo. Please don't read this. I'm so sorry, everyone. And then I need to do another map, which is meme.captions.map. And for each caption, I want to run a legend. Legend. Is it a legend?
Whoa, what is it? Yeah, what is it? I thought it was Fig Caption.
It's Fig Caption. I think a legend also exists, but it's a completely different thing. And I want caption.caption. Don't talk about my naming.
Like Tony in the chat is keeping track of your F-bombs, which I like. We need a counter, an F-bomb counter that just plays on the stream.
Add it. I don't know how to work with Twitch. Add it. Yes. Key. Caption that key. Dude, I swear to God. So I was in the Kenzie Dodds podcast, and it turns out you can't curse on the Kenzie Dodds podcast. And I didn't curse for 30 minutes, and I swear to God, I can do anything now. I am Jesus. I'm not Jesus. No one Christian person should ever hear this. But like, I can do anything now. I am more powerful. I'm
really impressed that you made it a full 30 minutes of speaking out loud.
But even I was. That's the amazing part.
When you got off the podcast, did you immediately close down and then like run into another room and just scream obscenities for half an hour?
I live alone, man. I don't need to run into another room. Scream. Also, no one speaks English. Of course. Terrible. Okay, so we have memes. Yay! Okay, so the next step of this is like Jason is going to teach me how to use Gatsby image. Yay!
Okay, so we might not be able to use Gatsby image without
Oh, there's more things in the image except this.
Okay, yeah. What do you get in there?
So file name, handle, height, size, status, updated at. I also got a transformation.
Oh, interesting.
I can resize. That's fancy. Okay,
Yeah.
so let me check. So Gatsby image, right?
So what we would need to do for Gatsby image is either we have to generate a whole object of settings, so like multiple sizes and stuff like that, or we would need to stop using the Gatsby source GraphQL and actually create nodes from the meme data. Either one of those is doable, but
Yeah, only this works basically. Yeah.
yeah. So the if we were going to do it, we could use this resize thing, and we could let's see. So we'd use a transformation, and we could do the image, resize it to be. What does fit do? Is that like options? Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. So
Yeah, let me just see what this does actually. Yeah. Okay, my passing the it's still passing the ID. Yes. Okay, cool.
okay, so
I don't think it does anything.
oh, did it break?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Uh,
if that's the case, then yeah, I think do you need to set a width and height
oh,
to do that?
vascular size is missing parameter. Oh, you need to fit the something.
Okay.
That actually makes sense.
So
But
let's
yeah,
try
go.
maybe just like making it square. Do like 100 by 100 or something.
Okay, so width, I'm gonna put 200, and height, I'm gonna put 200, and so crop.
I
Maybe
think
crop or clip. I'm gonna try crop, just for the
yeah.
funsies. Okay, so if I go here, and it works. Beautiful.
Okay. So what we would
There's a
have
bunch
to
of pictures that are not very well, but
yeah, so I guess what we'd have to do in this case is we would have to generate like multiple photos. So we could do an alias in the GraphQL query if we go in to graphical
okay. So you mean here?
to the Explorer at the far right. Yeah,
There we go.
yeah. So if in front of photo you
Okay, so I call it. So this one is like small or something.
yeah, and then we would just duplicate that and change the crop to be like the sizes that we want. So maybe we do want it medium at 400 and large at 800 or something like that.
400, and this is medium, and then we have large. I didn't know you could do this. This is actually pretty nice. So large is 800.
And
Sounds
that
good.
should work. If we execute that, then we'll see small, medium, large. And then for the Gatsby aspect ratios, I have to figure out what what all those things are, because I think the aspect ratio is just going to be 1. But I'm going to try to figure out what all of the required things are that go into the object. So let's get that.
Okay, image from Gatsby image. This is what I want. I do not want you. I want you.
Okay.
And I'm gonna call you image. Okay. So, so there's fluid and fixed. This is fixed, right?
Yeah. So this would be fixed, and fixed would need a what now?
What?
Let's see, where's my
Fixed object with height source. Okay. Sports interface.
Okay, so it needs a source.
Okay, so I just come here and I say, okay, but it needs so this is the final source, so the big one, right?
Yeah, so the things that we're going to pass through are going to be source set. Oh, you already got all these. Awesome. So what it's asking for, we need the source set.
Okay.
Ideally, we would have a base 64, but I don't think we're going to get one of those.
Okay, so all of these we're not gonna get basically. So we need to pass these.
Yeah. So let's try that and see what happens.
So source is meme that it's not photo anymore.
It'd be like small, probably.
I call it large. I don't know why. Large that URL. Okay, cool. And source set.
That one's going to be like a string. So does it start with the big ones or the small ones? Let me see if I can find. I think it starts with the smallest one. So it would be like the meme small URL and then 200 pixels. Or 200, is it wide or pixels? Oh boy, source set. It's 200W. And then
so this needs to be concatenated like this.
It's a legit string.
Okay. Oh, it's legit. Okay.
Legit.
And then like
there'd be a space before the 200, and a W after it, and then a comma.
Yes.
And then we're gonna do the same thing for meme medium, and that would be 400, and then one for large at 800. And no trailing comma after that one.
So this also needs a width and a height, which in this case are 800, 800. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's pray to Jesus.
Try it, see what happens. I don't know if that's going to work.
Oh, it's not a TypeScript file. Well. General read property URL of undefined. Okay.
Oh, what? Oh, no, did we paste in the updated
that photo? Sorry.
Did you paste in the updated GraphQL query?
Yeah. Oh no, meme. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Meme. Okay. Yeah, you did it. So large.url.
That's what I have.
Meme.large. Yeah, those all should exist. Maybe we need to stop and restart.
Maybe. Yeah, I'm developed. There we go. The site cannot be reached. Extract the queries. No? Yes? Maybe?
Happening? It's doing it?
It's kind of happening. It's doing it. So look, compile it. Compile it. That one was not even on purpose. Okay, there we go. Did it fancy load? It fancy loaded. Nice. So that worked.
It fancy loaded, but it's missing the like base 64 image. So it wants something that we didn't give it. Or wait, maybe not. Data is assigned a value but never used. Where did we do that?
That's it. No, I didn't.
Yeah, look, I mean, it's pretty much there. What is anything?
Data is assigned to value but never used. There's probably a different page.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. So this is good. This is getting us most of the way there. Was there another error below that?
This is from the layout. Oh my god, using prop tags. There we go. All the errors are fixed. Okay. So the next step is that I'm just gonna make a CSS file here. So home.css. Wait, does this support Sass by default or anything like that? Or did I need to add
you would need to. I think you need to add Gatsby plugin Sass SCSS. Google.
Because I want like the nesting. If I need to add a plugin, I might as well add the style CSS, the style components.
Yeah, I think you want Gatsby plugin Sass for that.
Okay. And now write your style sheets in SAS. Okay, add this to the plugins in the Gatsby config. This is not the Gatsby config, Sarah. What do you what do you do? This is the Gatsby config. There we go. And now I want to just index SAS. Okay, cool. And I could just import like this. That's weird. I guess that's what we're doing.
Well, yeah, you can. Yeah.
Yeah, I can also do this, I think.
Yes.
That's SCSS. Wait, SCSS. I mean, they call it SAT. What?
I think you can kind of choose. I think you'd want SCSS unless you're planning on writing like the SAS actual SAS syntax without curly braces and stuff.
No, I don't like that.
I don't know how to do that. So I'm
So
glad.
also that, yeah. So a little bit of both. Okay, so in here we have a main that I opened and closed, but didn't put in the right place. So that's important. Oh God, Sarah, you got this, Sarah. You got this.
I believe in you.
Okay, main. Thank you, Jason. That means a lot to me. Okay, main. Okay, so main. This is gonna display a grid, and this is gonna have a max width.
Oh, you're just going straight into grids. This is
straight into it, no flexbox.
awesome. I love
okay,
it.
wait. So there's the thing. I'm like, so width. No, okay. I'm just gonna do max. Oh, I know what I'm gonna. So max width. Nailed it. Oh my God, I look like my mom typing. So max width 1044 pixels or something like that. 43. I guess that works too.
Yeah.
And
so while you go into this this CSS, I'm gonna start a giveaway, and we're gonna give away a T-shirt or any $10 item from the Gatsby store is what we're giving away today. So I think that happens in the chat. Does it work? It does work. Okay, and the only thing, yeah, you just have to be a follower to win. I think hit. Is it? Yeah, raffle. There we go. Cool. I've never done this before. I'm trying this for the first time today.
no.
Holy buckets. Did that just work?
No idea if this is working. I don't think this is working.
No, you're kind of getting there. You got some wackiness going on, which means that the CSS is being picked up at least.
Okay, so this is the main, which has a width of 80. Oh, okay. So this dude needs a display of block. What?
Wouldn't that one need to be like?
There are two mains. There are two mains.
Oh, whoa, no. Oh,
I was like, you can only have one main. Good. All is good. Also, this already has a max width. I don't need a max width here.
Okay. All right.
All right. Okay, so we go to this main, and so grid template columns. So beautiful. So as you can see, this totally worked. I mean, it actually kind of did, but not really.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, wait. So you got to do that. Grid gap equals 20 pixels. And so I don't want this to be 1FR. I want this to be like 200 pixels. So this is where the problem lies. The images need to be smaller. What?
Wait
1, 2, 3, 4.
a minute.
Why is this one bigger? I am confusion.
Do you need to set a max width on the image? I think. Because I think what's happening is the columns are set up right, but then everything is overflowing.
Okay. No, what the fuck? So yes.
So I made it worse. No, did that do what we want? What just happened?
Oh, because the image. I don't know. Max width 200 pixels. Cool.
Oh, wait. So it's going to be on the image container. So the Gatsby image is going to wrap in a, if you go up in the tree, it's like Gatsby image wrapper. So if you set it on Gatsby image wrapper instead of,
which has this. Okay, so the problem right now is that I actually don't need all of this. So this should be small.
okay, and maybe kill the width and height and see what happens. Like maybe it'll just not set.
Oh, I don't have width and height.
Well,
I have here max
in the
width, that's it.
no, sorry, in the thing, where we built our Gatsby image object, you supply the width and height.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Actually, what happens if you just don't give it one? Does it go auto? Ooh, look at that.
No, it's mandatory.
Ah, well, all right, fine.
Whatever. Fuck off. Okay, so we have this. What else do we need in this website?
Well, I mean, this is already looking really good. So the caption,
So
that's what you are pulling in from Graph CMS.
yes. So I would think that my first thing would be to not put the captions here because I want to query and mutate the captions. But I'm not sure we're gonna have time for this. But what I mean is create a page for each of these.
Okay. I mean,
So
we've got an hour, so we can. So if you want to click on the meme and pull up an individual page, what we would need to do then is, in
so
Gatsby,
there's this thing by Gatsby which says create. Oh my god, create. It's probably here. Create
pages.
Pages. The part 7 of this tutorial is the best part of this tutorial. What is in this tutorial exactly? So you just scroll down to the bottom where you can copy the things.
Life tips from Sara Vieira.
You always scroll to the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this thing. I swear to God, I was gonna say there should be a copy button. You win. This time you win. Gatsby node. Okay, cool. I don't want to delete this file, but I do want to delete this because I don't need to create nodes.
Right.
Okay. I don't create file path.
Yeah, we don't need that.
Okay, so I want to query the things that I have in here. I don't need all of these things, but let me just copy it and then delete stuff. Okay, so query, and I don't need any of this.
Yeah, I think you'll just need whatever we want to use as the slug. So you could use the meme ID, or I mean the ID is probably easiest, and then you could add a slug if you wanted later.
Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna use the ID because I don't have anything else on the thing.
Okay,
that's the main
cool.
issue. Okay, so node path equals node dot. Oh, okay. So data dot memes.
It'll be memes.
Oh, because node is memes. And then it's memes dot ID.
Yeah, there won't be any edges either on line 15.
Yeah, because edges and node are both called memes. That's why.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, because the first one is what is like the wrapper that you set up in Gatsby source GraphQL, and then Graph CMS doesn't use the edges and nodes syntax. So yeah, memes dot, and I don't think it's going to be memes dot memes. I think it's just going to be the one. Or no, it is. It's totally going to be the one.
Let me just console that log memes.memes.id and see if it works. Yep. And this is just, and I'm going to call templates memes.js. Okay, data pass is just the ID. I don't know why I made this weird noise. So that's what we're doing right now.
Oh, Ecomath and Tony, I have no idea how to add extra tickets for other people. So, I agree that you should get extra for being VIPs, but I don't know how to do that. Okay.
Result.data.memes is not a function. No, there's no data. Is there data? Yeah, there's data.
So, yeah, result.data. Maybe just log.
Result. No, because result is data. That's the thing.
Right, but it should be data.memes.memes.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh wait, yeah. So it'll be memes.memes because the second memes is the array.
Okay. Okay, I think I get what you mean. Get out. Yeah.
And then I think each one would be a singular meme. I mean that'll also work, but
wait. So for each memes, get memes that wait. I think it's this, but the naming is shit. That's my problem. Sorry about that. Can I read property ID of undefined? What? This is meme? Is that what you're saying? Okay, let me consult all of this because I think there's something Jason that's string of file.
Yeah, this
Is this all you write thing? Yeah.
This should definitely work. That's weird that okay. All right, let's find out.
I think it's the you're getting the meme out of the data, and I don't think you can. Okay, so this returns.
There's your IDs.
Yeah, it's this. Yeah, and this is called meme, exactly. Because there's no node.
Yep, that is, okay.
Okay, I think we nailed it, Jason. I think we did this.
We got there. This is like high quality professional development.
Right here, right now.
They're saying debugger.
Oh yeah.
I don't believe that either Sarah or I are the kind of developers who know how to use a debugger.
What debugger? The node debugger?
I've seen people use it. I've seen people use it and it looks amazing, and I can never. I tried it once. It didn't work for me. Maybe I need somebody to come on and teach me that.
Oh, the VS Code one? Yeah, I never learned how to use it.
Yeah, I love the concept. Did not understand it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So now you need your actual meme template. Oh wait, where did that go? Oh, there it is. Okay.
Okay, so then I just need to, let me just export default.
I think it needs to be wrapped in something, doesn't it? Can you return a string from a React component?
Yeah, you can. It was one of the things in React, in the latest React. The latest, cool. Like 16 or something.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I should have this. And now I need to come here to the pages, and in the index, I'm not getting the ID of the memes, which I do need. And in here, all of this article should be a link.
Yep, and it looks like we're missing an alt tag on that image, just to make sure we cover our accessibility bases.
So 2, and it's 2.
The meme ID.
Yeah, meme.id.
And then you'd want to move the key up to that that article as well.
Yeah. Okay, I think this is it. Oh no.
Or should we put?
Mm-hmm. Do I need this?
I was actually wondering, maybe we should put the link inside the article, since the article's block level and the link's not. That might make the styling easier.
Sure.
I don't know.
Okay, let's try this.
Okay.
So if I go here and I click, yes, a meme. Beautiful meme. Okay, so now I need to programmatically create pages. Don't talk to me. Don't even look at me, Jason. Okay, so I need to export a cross query, and this is ID. And now I need to actually search. Actually, let me. I got this, man. I promise. Do I got this? No.
I believe in you.
That's. Oh yes, I got this. Okay, so I need to see how you can search for a meme here because I actually have no idea.
Okay, so we need to add the ID in context for the create pages call.
Oh, it already is.
It's already there. Okay.
Yeah,
And
I think
then
so.
I
Wait, Gatsby
think
node. Yeah, context ID meme.id.
okay, perfect. Yeah. So we'll need to do in the query, I think in the Explorer you can just do a filter on the meme.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. So here, okay.
And I think it'll be where
ID.
I think it's just the first one, the ID.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. Be on the second one, right?
Hmm?
The first one is the one that's added by Gatsby, and the second one is the actual Graph CMS query. So it would, the where would need to be on line 8.
Oh, true. Yeah, good point. Sorry. You know that women apologize more than men, and I have no idea why. The pathetic.
I have read that.
Yeah, and I do apologize a lot. So this should be memes as the other thing, and let me just console download memes. I don't know if this works though. Just console download memes.
It's going to be data first, and then memes inside of the data, because the query will get turned into a data prop, and then you have to destructure that.
Wait, so I get an error saying variable type by the string used in position. Oh, smart. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me reload because I have errors that are old. Yeah, nothing was returned from render. Okay.
Yeah, so the memes prop is going to be inside of the data prop, because it's
That is true.
Yeah,
that is very true. So it's data and then memes. Yeah, that's the thing we screwed up. By we, I mean me.
I mean, I'll take that hit. It was also me.
we are together now. Oh wait, because I don't have to return memes. I can just return meme.
Yeah. Thanks for coming out, Slyk. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, so I can actually just get meme, which basically is the same thing, but instead of returning an array, it returns one meme. So there's no array. So in here, data memes, and then meme. So if I go here and reload the page, beautiful. Okay. No? Yes? Okay.
Yeah. So now you should be able to display that meme, and then we can put the captions underneath it.
I'm literally just gonna get this right now, copy it there, and in here in meme, I'm gonna paste this, and so this is gonna look like crap. So memes, meme. There we go. Article.key, meme.id, link. There's no link now. And there we go. So this is what I want, basically.
Yeah.
And let me
Do you need to import the image?
And this is trash here. So this here is not supposed to show here. It's only supposed to show in the.
Okay.
The image is not defined. Makes sense. Come here, boy. My computer is excruciatingly slow. It's the lack of the touchpad. The lack of the touch bar.
The lack of touch bar makes it slow?
So what happens is Apple knows that. Apple knows that I'm not having a touch bar, and they're like, that bitch.
They're targeting you. Like, all right, slow down Sara Vieira's computer. She does not have a touch bar.
Not just me. Everyone who doesn't have a touch bar. A touchpad. God damn it. Wait, touch bar. No, I said it right.
You said it right.
Nailed it. Look at this. So much prettiness in one place.
Excellent.
Amazing. Okay, so the next part is this thing right here is not going to come from here. It's actually going to come from a query that I'll do. So it's going to be dynamic.
Yes, and should we actually, instead of putting it as a fig caption, since there will potentially be more than one of these, right?
Yes, this one already has more than one of these.
Okay, so should we like do them as a list underneath or something? Because I think with fig caption you can only do one per figure, right?
Yeah, I actually don't know. That's the thing. Yeah, I'm going to put an li here. And this is a UL.
Third tries
I like
a
how I
charm.
made the exact same error twice.
Here, I have the perfect sound effect for this. Hold on. Ah, son of a biscuit.
We're going to use Apollo hooks.
Nice. I just got to try this for the first time the other day, and I was so happy about it.
It's actually pretty fucking good. Okay, we can do this. Okay, yarn at. I think this just sends me to the documentation, right? Yeah.
And don't we need
so the provider thing for
you can just use Apollo Boost, I think, right?
Yeah, but I need to add it to Gatsby as well.
Yeah. And with that, let's see. I just did this the other day. Let me find I have a repo for it. Or I guess if you already have a thing, that also works.
There's a Gatsby plugin Apollo. What is this even do? I mean, apparently there's a plugin now.
Oh, interesting. I wonder if it adds the boost one.
This package also need to install GraphQL and Apollo, but you might need. No, I think so. Let me try this. I never tried this. Looks nice. Okay, so let's try this. Yarn add. And so Gatsby plugin Apollo and GraphQL. So then I need this. I need to pass the URI. So if I come to the Gatsby config again, I need to come here or there, doesn't really matter. And this is the URI. Okay. Why? I don't know. I think this is just still loading. Yarn develop. Okay, cool.
Okay.
I think that's it. Credentials and headers. Yeah, I think this is it. This is it. That's pretty cool. Actually.
And do you need to add a are there credentials for this, or is it just open right now?
No. I opened it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, why Apollo client?
And I think the rest of it's just the hooks.
The hooks.
The hooks.
The hooks are on fire. Okay. The adults are doing this now. Okay, so this goes here. And I can just import GraphQL from Gatsby. It's the same thing. Is it not a GraphQL tag?
Yeah, so this is where it gets kind of interesting, because the GraphQL tag in Gatsby is what we look for during the build, and then we do like abstract syntax tree transformations and stuff. So you still need to use GQL for any client-side queries.
Okay, from Apollo Boost. Wait, I don't think I installed Apollo Boost.
Good.
I think that thing installed it for me.
Did it really?
You know, it says calculating.
Well, it thinks that it's there. I don't know. I mean, we can try it. I don't think it got installed.
Yeah, it's there. Okay, use query. Okay. I think so. Okay, so I basically need to do the exact same query. Oh yeah, because this one doesn't actually need the captions.
Yeah, so that one can drop them and the other one needs them.
Okay, the other one can drop the images basically. So I
Yeah.
got this, and this one just needs the captions and the ID. This is all it needs, and I need to
Yes,
pass
and
an
it
ID to
won't
it.
be wrapped in memes because this is kind of one of the confusing things.
That's true. Yeah, because it's the name
Yeah.
that I gave it. Okay, so I'm gonna call get captions. So I gotta call in here, no more of this, and I return. And this is in here. So const, I forgot, whatever, equals use query. And I think this passes a thing, and then we say variables.
I think it's
Wait, it's this and then this, I think.
yeah.
Yeah. And variables is meme.id. Variables ID, meme.id, maybe.
Yep.
Who knows?
I'm
Only
pretty sure
time will
that's
tell.
right.
Okay, const loading error data. That's what I want. Okay, so let's just check what is going on. Why is my computer so slow? There are multiple. I'm okay.
What happened? I missed it.
Even I missed it. I have no idea. Wait, what?
Wait, what is happening?
Wait, what? Oh, this return is missing this.
Aha.
Like this sometimes. Console.log, loading and data. Okay, let's do this. Let's see what happens.
Oh, so we would need to add code.
There was an error. An unfiled
right?
memes on type query. Wait, why do you what?
Unknown field memes on type query. And is that
What did I screw up here?
take a look at the meme file on the Apollo query because I think was it in meme.js. Look at the Apollo query. Meme ID captions, yeah. That's
Honestly, he also shouldn't give me this error. He should give me an Apollo error.
yeah, something
Went wrong here.
memes file cannot read property.
Yeah, it
memes
says like it has an error
undefined.
creating the pages even.
Okay, so something happened in Gatsby node.
Wow,
Uh-oh.
okay.
Whoa, what was that?
Duplicate GraphQL modules. Okay, because I added GraphQL. Okay, so this is because I had remove. I already had the GraphQL module. Okay, so.
Oh.
But this is one of them. I don't know what the rest of it is.
Maybe that was it. That's the whole problem.
Maybe. Who knows? Only time will tell. Literally, a lot of time. Because, Okay, Code.js. Oh, remember that Code.js thing?
Yeah, that was I feel bad for him.
Yeah, I felt super bad for the guy. Like there was no people.
Everybody gets so mean.
This is the perfect time to talk about this, Jason. Why is everyone being so mean on the internet? Honestly, why is everyone being so mean on the internet?
I need to go back and clip that. That's going to be a sound effect on this stream.
Why is everyone being so mean on the internet?
Yeah. Okay, so things happened. Good things happened.
Yeah.
The loading is
loading
true.
Can properly map them on the fine. Because there's still no captions.
That's right.
Okay. Yeah. So I just gotta get an if loading. Oh. Close enough.
I mean, it's in the ballpark.
Close enough to a name that exists.
And I think that's still going to fail once the loading finishes because it's trying to load it from the Gatsby data, not the Apollo data.
Okay, you know what?
Smart.
I know. So my mama says. Okay. Okay, so this just returns a meme, and I need a meme. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so if not loading,
Then it's just data.
Data meme.
Yeah.
I mean the captions, and then this should give me the captions, I think. Yes, beautiful.
Success.
Okay. Sass. Did you say sass?
I said success, but also sass.
Sassy. I'm done. Like literally just done forever. Let me add the layout so that it's not pushed against the right, left. So I switch left and right. So people have to point, which was good when I was getting that license. It was great. They didn't want to point. They're so mean. Okay, so now we need an input.
Yes, we do. Artify, I didn't see your question if you want to post that again. And also what I'm so lost in the chat. Oh no. Lots of things are happening and I'm totally not keeping up.
I'm gonna keep doing these things. I'm gonna keep pushing and keep pushing. Why am I like my thing is like this, like a truck driver, getting the sun in my ow.
Okay. All right. Okay. So now we've got things
idiot.
happening.
There we go. Okay. So const value set value. Okay. Value set interval. Yes. Equals use state. And now we wait for a bit and then we get this and then it still doesn't do anything. Oh no, we did. Okay. Use state. And then it starts like this. Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna have a form. Right, Jason?
Yes. We absolutely are. Should we put that outside the figure though?
Maybe. Who knows?
I mean, if you want to put everything in the figure, that's also totally okay.
I mean, HTML is very forgiving. That's why we're both developers. Because first we started with HTML and CSS. We was like, oh, this is great.
I just got a new subscriber.
And then you misspelled to lowercase and you're like, what?
This username is so good. I think this username is Merpaderp, which is so good.
Nice.
The raffle. Wait, why can't the raffle? The raffle should be good. Wait, why isn't it? Is it saying that it's not open anymore? There are 30 seconds left to enter the raffle. Is it not working? No? I don't know. It says it's not. Reopen the gateway. You've got like, go fast. You've got like 15 seconds to enter the raffle.
The coding sanctuary. Okay, input required. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so, no. I was like, I have Emmet. I do not. Button. And
holy buckets, did that just work?
Okay, cool. And on submit. Beautiful.
Sweet.
Did you see what the fuck I just did? Twice. Submit form. No, it was terrible. Okay, so I am gonna come here and say const close enough. Yeah, X's because it's email. Const submit form equals gets an E. And so this has to do a mutation. So I need to check how to actually
I think it's almost exactly like the use query, which I love. Oh, sorry. Here I was thinking that I was going to be helpful.
No, you're actually going to be helpful. I also don't remember. So the way my brain does things is that it doesn't remember anything. And then it Googles things. Mutation. Oh, create captions. So data and caption equals lol. And now, so this is going to return me the caption and the IDE. Oh, okay, lol. Do you know? Okay, so, okay. Mutation, create captions input. memes connect. Oh my god, this sounds terrible. Meme connect where ID equals. I mean, if this is just it, then that's not too bad. Equals this. So if I do this, I get this, and if I reload this page, do I get a lol? Do I get a lol?
A lull?
I do get a lol.
You get a lull.
Yes, I got it lols. Give me all those lols. Okay. Okay, so const add caption, and I do VQL.
Holy buckets! Did that just work?
This and now do this. Okay, cool. So this needs a ID, and I realized what I did, but I thought it would be easier to do it this way because it's not. Okay, so now we add a caption. So I can call whatever I want, I think, right? So I can call it like add.
Yeah. You just choose a name, I think, and then doesn't it also send back? I think it's like it's an array, and the first thing is a mutation, and the second thing is like the object with loading error data. I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let me check. I don't remember very well. I think I've only used this like 4 times or something like that. Add to do data. Yeah. Okay, so let me come here and let me copy this because I think it's easier. And guess what? Is this not? And this is called add caption. Cool. I actually don't know what the state is. It's loading and stuff, right? Okay, so I call in here, I call e.prevent default. Thanks. And then we call this and do the same thing as in, where is that? Variables.
Yeah, Mr. Nime, the React hooks are so good. Like I remember when I was first trying to write mutations, and I'd have like a query and then a component and then a mutation and then the render. It was like, I can't keep track of any of this. And this just makes it like, oh yeah, that just works.
Yeah, it's seriously way better. I also forgot to pass the caption as a query parameter.
I think that string is going to have to be capitalized.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's just,
Is it going to complain if those aren't required? I've never actually tried.
No,
optional.
I don't think so. So passes the IDs, variable ID, and caption is equal to value. Okay. So now we play. That's what I'm going to add as a thing. Okay, I try my best. Identifier data has already been declared.
Oh, yeah. So you'll have to alias one of them. I think it's
this. Yeah, it's this. Sorry.
Yeah.
Fucked up that one. And let me also console.log after. I don't know what it is. Console.log mutation data. Yeah. There we go. Argument undefined was to parcel is not a valid document. Okay. Did I pass GraphQL? There's captions. What? What are you talking about?
Yeah, what didn't it like? Create captions.
Oh, okay. It was just.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now we pray. Data is undefined. See, and I don't know if it added. Let me see if it added. Yes.
All right. By inches, we're getting there.
Yes. Shut up. Okay. Each child of the list should have a key prop. I can fix this. It's very hard, but I think I can do this. Wait, where is it actually? What should have a key prop? Oh, this does not have a key prop, by the way. Okay. Actually, I don't know. I have no idea where this is. Oh my god, I hate this. Okay, seriously, like serious thing that I've actually talked to Ben. I hate the fact that you have to write HTML4 instead of 4.
It's not my favorite.
Yeah, it's not my favorite.
All right, so that's exciting.
He explained that that's how you use it in HTML, like in JavaScript, if you want to add it as an attribute. But I'm still like, dude, I get it, but like, no. Okay, so now let's look at how to update the cache because we're fancy.
Oh, we're getting into yeah. I'm into this.
This is literally always the same function, though. So you come here and you update. Okay, so use mutation add to do. Use mutation add caption, and then you need to update. Okay, so this gets a meme.
Whoa.
What? No, it doesn't get a meme?
No. That's I'm very blown away by how that just like works.
No, it doesn't. It's not working.
Well, you know what I mean. Come on now.
Don't be a dick, Sarah. Memes that concat. Oh, and this data is going to return me what? I don't remember. We're going to grab CMS. What does
wouldn't
this
it need
me?
the
create captions? Yeah. It should be this. I'm pretty sure it's not, and it's never going to work. But technically, it should be. What? Why is this? I am confusion. Wait, what?
No, hold on. There's a...
Oh, I'm missing a closing thing here. Yeah. Beautiful. It's actually the complete opposite.
Something's wrong. Line 48 that should be a arrow function.
Yeah, but it's not.
What? Oh, okay. I understand what's happening. Because they're just, this is like...
It is kind of weird.
Yeah, it throws me off because I'm just so used to writing the ES6 style, the fat arrow functions, that now when people do the shorthand declaration of just like writing a regular pre-ES6 function, my brain melts and I'm not ready for it.
I'm ready for it. Come on, bring it. So meme equals meme that captions. Back on cat. I think it should be this. And I'm gonna do this just because this looks like crap. I don't like it. It's bothering me.
I get you.
Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is not gonna work, but we can try our best.
I have so much faith in you.
That's so sad though.
No, all right. Things already went wrong.
Oh, this is check the meta of default.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter.
It's child in list, but the child in the list does have. Oh, I'm probably not passing a caption key. Caption ID, Sarah. What the fuck? So that one is totally on me because I didn't do that. Idiot. That's how you say idiot in Portuguese. I mean, that's pretty obvious.
I like it. This is like it just became an episode of Sesame Street, but like not for children.
So Sesame Street, basically. Add caption. Shit. Okay, can't find variable meme where the can't find field meme. Okay. All
right. Well, where did that happen though? Did that happen in here?
Mm-hmm.
Can't find.
Oh wait. I am confusion. So data. Wait. What?
Data gets renamed to mutation data, and then
yeah, that's fine. I'm not using this actually, because this is used here. So update data. So this is what I get from the actual thing, and then I get the meme, and I read the query, get captions. Which
it doesn't like that meme.
No, I'm not passing any variables to it.
Oh yeah, that would be.
Wait, what?
That would be outside the update though. So like right alongside it, there would be the variables.
Yeah, I think it's here, right?
Great question.
Okay, let me go on a cache read query thing. Yeah, wait. Polygon client that read query. So you have the query and then the variables. Yeah. And this should be the same thing. So write query, you get the query, the variables, and the data.
Okay.
Yes, maybe. Who knows? Let's try. Let me console.log.
Yeah, okay.
Does that make sense?
I believe so.
You showed no faith there. No faith.
I mean, it's more of a lack of faith in me.
Meme was used before it was defined. Mutation data is not defined. Where am I using mutation data? Oh, I was console.logging it somewhere, I think. Yeah. Okay, so meme was used before it was defined. What?
Used before it was defined. Meme.
Oh, query meme.
Oh, and I think you're logging meme outside of the function that's actually doing stuff with it. Right?
Yeah, the meme comes from Gatsby. This thing comes from Gatsby, basically, and this thing comes from here. So the problem was this is also called meme. So I called it query meme. Okay. Okay. So if I do this and I add caption, it should have actually worked. Yes.
It did. So it created the caption. Okay. So we got most of the way there, but it didn't. Yeah, so it didn't. Query meme. Holy buckets! Did that just work?
I think. Oh.
Query meme.
Okay, query meme. Sorry. Okay, still this should have. Wait, I think this should have worked. Okay. So I caption and yeah. So it did work. There is a captions of 6, but it's
okay.
There's no caption. No.
It's not updating because. Let's see.
So this has create captions and caption and ID. So it should cache the right query to this query variables this data meme. Yeah. Query meme that captions that concat data that create captions.
So we would need to add code.
Is there an error somewhere here?
Is that right? Smart asses. Does it need to be an array? Should we take that out?
It doesn't. Yeah, because you're concatenating to arrays. Ow.
Nah.
Let me go back. Can I close this? No, that would be too good. Okay. No. Wait, where is that then? Oh, updating the cache. Okay.
So when you write the query,
I have to do because use mutation and then update the cache. So cache the right query, get to do's, and data equals to do's to do, concat that to do.
Okay. And they don't have an example with variables.
No, let me look for right query. Okay, query data. Query variables, yeah.
Data.
That's it, supposedly. So right query, variables, and the data.
Okay. So maybe what
after
we should...
this, let me console log the cache.
Oh wait, does it get captions? Does that load the me? Oh wait, hold on. So we're doing the captions, but we're setting the meme to be the wrong thing, right? Like, don't we need to rebuild the captions?
Yeah, query meme that captions that concat.
Right, but so see, we're changing meme to be the captions. So we actually would need to set the meme to be like the captions need to get set, not the meme itself.
Wait, no, yeah, but the problem is that I need to do this. So the captions can only come from the meme.
Right. But I guess what I'm saying is like in the here on line 51, we need to set meme.captions Do you see what I'm saying? Because right now we're setting meme to be the captions. So we're basically writing the data somewhere where it doesn't.
Oh, so it's data, that meme, that captions.
Yeah, but where we set meme, like we actually need to be inside that object to set the captions prop of the meme. Otherwise, we're setting the captions to the wrong place.
Okay, so I am incredibly confused by what the fuck you're talking about. Okay,
So if we look at what the data object is going to look like, that that data object would be a meme prop, and then inside of that meme prop is another object, and inside of that object would be an ID and a captions.
yes.
And so what we're doing right now is we're taking the captions and we're sticking that on the meme prop, not inside the meme object on captions. So instead of it being like meme.captions equals query meme.captions.concat, we're feeding in like meme equals the captions.
Oh. Is this what you mean?
Yeah.
What? Oh, and then this goes in here, I think. Yes. This is what you mean.
Yes. Yeah. So now we're updating the captions themselves, which hopefully will solve that problem.
Okay, so let me run this query meme here. Nope, yes. I know you roll those automatically, but when it's this type of stuff, I don't believe in it.
Yeah, whenever I start playing with like higher order providers and stuff.
Yes!
Aha!
That was it. We have memes. The captions and the memes.
We have memes and we have live updating, and that is sick.
Yes.
That is really slick.
So now I just need to do one thing, and then I think we're done.
Holy buckets!
Which is I need to delete all these captions, and then set the thing to published. So captions and data. Okay, so let me delete all of these except the first one, just because. And delete entries. And I want to do something, which is I want to edit this and publish. Save. Because I only want to show the published ones.
And whenever somebody submits one, it's going to go into draft. So you're just going to go, you'll like manually moderate this so nobody can be a complete jerk.
Yes, basically. I've read my own YouTube comments. I don't want to go through that shit again.
Oh, God. Yeah, I just disable the comments.
Oh, God, don't disable it. Always disable comments, Jason. There's things you find out about yourself.
There are things I don't want to know about myself. I don't want to know what people will teach me about myself in YouTube comments.
Exactly. So let me go back in here and let me copy this query. Wait, do I have the ID here? There we go.
That all happened so fast. How did you do that so fast?
Command Z. The magic of Command Z. Oh. No? Okay, fine.
Published, right?
I don't know. I don't know what's the name of the set.
Oh, is that one? Is that going to be? Is that an enum?
That's the thing. I don't know. Let me check. Yeah, it's published, but it's uppercase, so that's why. Status. Yeah, I could have checked the documentation. That also worked.
Yeah, so it's just unquoted.
Yeah, it's an enum then. That's nice. Okay, so actually, I don't care about this. What am I doing? I just need to copy this over. Okay, get captions, rarity equals ID, and status equals published. Wait, is this?
I think that's only for the. We need that for the captions, right? Like can you wear on the captions?
For the meme.
Yeah. Do the captions themselves have a wear clause?
I think so. So now let me come here, and I think. Yeah, captions, every status published. Yeah, that's it. that's not confusing.
Do you have a draft in there so we can test that?
Yeah, let me add a draft. Create caption.
Draft.
Draft. Okay, done. And save. So this one should be a draft, yeah.
Okay.
So let me do this and then do this.
Yeah, so I think we need to actually filter the captions, but what that was like every caption has to be.
Yeah, this is not. That's true. This is not where. This is a filter.
Can the captions themselves be filtered? Like, is there a where on line 5 on caption? Yes.
Yeah. Ah, damn it. That was there. Where that is published, and let me delete all of this. There we go. Fruitify. Beautiful. Run. Yes, that's it. Good job, Jason.
I serve a purpose.
I have a purpose. Okay, so I think that's it. So now it won't show it, but our idea has been made. So this is the only one we have. Also,
right. Well, and that should work, right? Because there is a draft in there, and that just didn't show up.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So it is working. So I'm just gonna, after I do the mutation, I'm gonna set the value to an empty thing, and I am gonna set done to whoa, chill. Sure. Okay, cool. So let me just make another state for when it's done.
Which was set done?
No, it doesn't exist yet.
Oh, I was like, damn, look at you like doing stuff that I didn't even notice.
It was when you were giving away free shit.
I was very busy.
I was gonna write use done. Use state false. Okay, so and if done, let me just show a thing saying okay. Danke, Jason. Okay, so if I do this and I write this and click at caption,
it shows it. But if you refresh the page, it'll be gone because it's not.
Yeah, because I don't actually need to do this. I mostly just wanted to show how to do this.
Yeah.
Caption. Okay, so, but this needs to be, so that ID. Oh, because this is, wait, no, this actually should still work.
What should still work?
Does it say it as published? I don't think so. It says it's dropped. Yeah, it said it was dropped.
Yeah, because you're just manually writing to the cache, so when you refresh the page, it'll be gone.
Oh, I think it's this thing. I know. Wait, let me get the status of this. Wait, no, dude, I don't know. I know it will be gone. I guess I can delete this.
Well, do you? I mean, you could also show it like, no, yeah, I mean, you could include the thing and then show it as like a awaiting approval sort of deal, but I don't know, that opens a whole different ball of confusion, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, but the thing is, I feel like this should still work because I passed the cap. Because I still pass this. I still say where captions. Oh, but I think I never returned the status of it. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah. So in this particular case, I think what we'd probably want is like either you could show it to the person who's just uploaded and like, hey, it's it's awaiting approval, so it or it will appear once it's approved, and then if they refresh the page, it'll be gone and whatever. Or in this particular case, like it might make more sense to not add it to the cache because yeah.
I'm gonna delete this. I mostly just wanted to show that this is actually like got slightly easier.
Do you want to in this case like comment it out so that when you like, I know that usually you should delete code when you aren't using it, but since we'll be linking to this, so people can see the code that we used. I think in this case you would just want to comment out the update.
Honestly, it sounds really hard to comment out what I want, so that's why I'm doing this, because it's actually faster.
Perfect.
That was on purpose. Okay, so if I try to add something now and I click add caption, nothing happens. It says your caption is time for approval. And if I come here and I click this one, no, sad. Edit, published, save. Another one should show up. Another one bites the dust. I don't think I need this in this anymore.
Darfed. Excellent. Darfed.
Excellent.
I'm just reading your caption.
Oh, you're reading my caption. Sorry. Beautiful. So I think this is it. I'm going to commit this. Do you still have time? Let me commit this. That is just styling that I will add. Commit. Git commit. I'm going to connect this to Netlify. That's what I'm going to do now. And then we shall leave. I have 4 minutes. Save the world. Save the world. Git commit. Almost done. Okay, git push. And I sent you the link on Zoom, so you can post it for this GitHub.
Yep.
Oh, I can just come here and it's meme website. And I'm gonna go on Netlify.
All right, let me find this and I'll also link it in the chat.
Wait, I think only one of the AirPods died. Oh wait, no, both AirPods died. Give me a second. So now I gotta look like a fucking nerd.
Wow, that feels oddly targeted at me.
Jason, I can't hear you.
Uh-oh.
Wait, I'm trying to connect my headphones. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, sorry, the AirPods died, but like one at a time. It was very dramatic. Rest in peace, AirPods. This is why I don't have any.
Yeah, I noticed you stole someone else's AirPods, borrowed somebody else's AirPods.
Yeah, no, they're. Oh my God, Siri, what? They're my girlfriend's AirPods. She has AirPods.
Okay.
You ever see that video, which is like AirPods that make you rich? So like, I can hear you right now. I have AirPods. I'm rich now.
No, I have not seen that.
I am gonna send you this. Put it on the chat for the love of God. This is beautiful. And then the dude just gets super high and is like, I can't hear him anymore. I have AirPods. AirPods meme. How the fuck am I gonna find that now? Yeah, there we go. AirPods, not for poor people.
Oh my God.
Seriously, this is so offensive and good. It's not even offensive. It's just good. Okay, how do I go to the chat? Chat. There you go, Jason. Please put this in the chat. Like, it's precious. All of the things that this dude does are just magnificent loves.
I'm posting this into the chat blind. I have no idea what is about to happen. So, risky click.
Stop porn. It's on YouTube. Not the some things are worse than porn, sir. It's loading. It's loading. So I can put this on the internet. I think it's been loading for too long. Okay, we're reloading. Clicking the same button. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my God, what? Okay. Meme website. There we go. Gatsby build public deploy site. Okay, domain settings. Relaxed pointy care. Okay, so this is meme outside. Save. There we go. Overview. Okay, so it's deploying the set. The build is ready to start. Let's just see if this passes, and then you're free to go. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with my eyebrows? I could see them. But I think it was like doing this weird thing where like one of your eyebrows goes down, and it just like you look very sad all the time because the eyebrows are down. I don't know what I'm doing, Jason. It fetched the cache dependencies. Okay, so how you doing? Do you want to talk about something?
I mean, I always want to talk.
What do you want to say? What do you want to talk about?
I don't know. How's life?
It's good. It's good. It's good. I'm going back. I have Full Stack Fest in the beginning of September, and then I'm going back to Berlin. I'm back to my house,
Nice.
where
How long have you been
probably a lot of
gone?
letters await for me.
A lot of letters?
Letters, because I went to Portugal before I came here, so I've been
Oh.
like not in my actual house. I've been in my parents' house for like a month. So I'm just like I have this slight feeling in me that I'm gonna get there, and there's gonna be a letter from the German government saying that I'm owing them money.
Hmm.
Hmm.
That's
Did you pay your taxes? Yes, I did.
I paid my
Okay.
taxes.
I paid my tax. Paid my dues. Oh, you know what happened? So in Germany, like I don't know why. So when you transfer to an IBAN, it doesn't actually tell you like on the website, like you're transferring to like the finance department, for example. It just tells you the name of the bank, which is very useful, right? Like the bank, like where it's hosted, where the money is hosted.
Sure.
So what happened to Sarah was that she, instead of transferring money to the finance department, transferred money to her health insurance, and then had to call the health insurance and explain someone
Oh, that sounds
that they were
horrible.
like, she was like, "What's wrong?" And I was like, "I gave you too much money." And she was like, "What?" And I was like, "I fucked up." That was literally it. And I was like, "I am so sorry, but I fucked up." I gave you too much money. She was like, "You're supposed to give us 800." And I was like, "No, you don't understand. I gave you money when I wasn't supposed to give you money. You know I have all my taxes." And she was like, "Oh, that's not good." And I was like, "That's not good." This was the entire conversation. It was very good. Why?
I mean,
In the love
so
of
that just played. That worked. I'm looking at it. So it did what we wanted.
yeah, but
It's
why is the grid broken now?
I don't know. I assume because I helped with the CSS would be a good assumption.
Seriously,
It's probably my fault.
that's
Typically,
my.
when that happens, it's going to come down to my fault.
Holy buckets! Did that just
Did
work?
you make this? Did you make this?
Make which now? Oh, whoa! What happened there?
There was a
Oh, there's all that.
like, yeah. One of them had a what the fuck? Oh, there we go. Yeah, one of them had a display block that was overriding mine.
Some people's kids.
What? This is your kids.
All right. So, I mean, I'm stoked about this though. Like it's working. It's once this patch gets pushed, we've got it up and live. And so in the
Wow,
span
we
of
have patches and shit. Git commit m fix grid. Okay, keep talking. I think this is done. Yeah.
you know what I'm also excited about is that photo I took at JS Heroes made it to your meme website. That makes me really
Yes, it did.
happy.
Yes, it did. Where is that? This is the first meme I have. It is very old. Where is that? It's here. No, this is my date. Yeah. This is precious as well, but you can't see it because it's good. But it's very good.
Oh yeah, you've got all
Yeah.
sorts of good stuff in here. I love these like weird warpy edits that have been done. Are these just things
Okay,
that
so
people send to you?
it wasn't me. No, it's all one guy. Okay, so it's crazy. No, he's great. So there's this guy named Lochi, which started by like every time I posted memes, he started posting like really weird like depictions of my memes, and now we're friends. He's from Melbourne, Australia. He's great. He added me on Facebook. I like him. So yeah, the way to my heart.
The way,
I mean,
all right.
now. Great.
All right, y'all. With that, I think we're going to wrap this up. Sarah, where should people find you on the internet?
So at Twitter, I am NikitaFTW. So like, wow. I am Nikki FTW like this, and on GitHub it's just my name, so Sara Vieira. And that is it.
And that is it. Okay, perfect. I'm posting this in the chat. And then I think we're going to go raid someone called Sika Player. So let's do that. It's going to be great. I found...
Can I stop sharing my screen? No? Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead and stop sharing your screen. And I think
Okay,
that's it for us,
again.
y'all. So stand by for the raid. Sara, thank you so much for coming on. This is super fun.
Thank you so much for having me. Anytime, just let me know.
Oh, wait. Question from Chris Cube before you go. Tell us about Queer.js.
So let me share my screen again. Desktop too. Okay, so Queer.js is something that a bunch of us started a couple of months ago. So it's a meetup that we're trying to run in a lot of places. This website is also Gatsby.
Hooray!
So it's a meetup that we're trying to run in a lot of places. So the idea is that this meetup is a meetup where anyone is welcome to come, but only queer people speak. So basically to just try and give a voice to different people. So it's kind of like React.js Girls. I didn't know what I was making, honestly, because this is getting out of hand, but it's beautiful. And yeah, so this is, you can go to queerjs.com, and we have a lot of upcoming meetups. And if anyone can offer a space, we don't need any money. We basically just need a space and someone to take care of the logistics over there, and we can create it in more places. So the next one is in Barcelona. We also have London, Amsterdam, Stockholm, and the first one was in Berlin.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so that's the idea of Queer.js.
Well, cool. All right. So with that, we are going to raid Sika Player. So everybody stay tuned for the raid. And thank you so much for watching. Sara, thank you for coming on. We should totally do another one of these again. It'll be great.
Yeah, just CSS. The next one is just us yelling at CSS.
I'm in for it. All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.